Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. If you didn't see the previous video, we got the Civic running. Yes. So now she's running. We're just buttoning up the last few things, and today what we're actually installing is, if I can find it, is an oil catch can. Now it's only a cheap oil catch can that I got off eBay. I've modified it ever so slightly. Yeah, so the main reason for the catch can, the reason why we're actually installing the catch can is to monitor the blow-by. Now we're running forged pistons. I'm actually running a slightly more aggressive piston ring gap, purely because we've boosted now. Forced induction obviously creates a lot more heat, so we get a lot more expansion. So I just want to make sure that everything's sweet. Obviously if we have a load of blow-by, then something's gone wrong, but it's purely just a monitor, and that is that. So I'll just quickly show you up front, you know, what I'm doing and where I'm plumbing things to. How I'm doing my oil catch can is, I've had these AN10 fittings. You've probably seen them in another video, but got two AN fittings welded to the rocker cover. Now on the stock one, you obviously had an outlet that was here, and that went into your induction. Your induction box or induction line, but obviously we've got the turbo there, so we don't need that. So that's been deleted off this one, and also the lines. So you'll have a line here, an AN10 line, AN10 line, and that's where the oil catch can's going to go. So I just need to build a bracket for that, which I'll show you. And then where is it? Down here is the PCV valve, so positive crankcase ventilation or valve. What that pretty much does is releases the crankcase pressure. That used to go into the intake, but again, because we forced induction, putting forced air into your crankcase is a no-no, is bad. So that's why that vents to the atmosphere. And like I say, the pressure from the head, that'll go into this oil catch can and then can vent to atmosphere. So here we go. That's the bracket, all made up. Not bad for bloody bending a bit of aluminium and spraying it. So we'll fit it onto the old catch can, and that's my spray booth, the box for my smart charger. Anyway, we'll crack on. That's the catch can all mounted up. I can see there, I can see any oil levels. She ain't going nowhere. So I've just utilised a existing hole that was threaded, so I use a bolt for that or nut. Then I'll run my lines straight to there. So this one, the shortest one, measures 420mm, the longest one's 650. So I'll go and cut the AN10 line now, pull these fixings off, and then they push into this fixing here, which then screws onto, if I can show you without taking too much time, come on, there you go. So that's where the line pushes in there and ultimately screws onto there. The reason why I've put masking tape on here is because I don't have the aluminium wrench, the correct tool for this, so I just use an adjustable. There's the JCB adjustable, and that just protects them from getting scratched. So this is how I'm tightening them up. I'm using basically a clamp and my trusty adjustable. Trying not to scratch them at the same time. I really need to get the right tools, but Yeah, doing all right, I reckon. So, if you're looking to fit a catch can, that is how you do it. You don't necessarily have to do it on an EP3, you can do it on anything, ranging from a Corsair to a lawnmower, anything really. It's a doddle, it's a little bit fiddly, obviously you've got to find a location to put it. Again, this is a catch can off eBay that I modified, costs about 20 quid. AN lines and all the fittings, I think they're about 35 quid, but that'll come in handy when I do what am I going to do? Do the oil cooler. So I've got an oil cooler to go on here, and then I've got a few spare AM fittings as well. So like I say, I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Obviously like the video if it helped you. I appreciate everything. Leave your comments below, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the build as well. Obviously, am I doing a good job or not? What could you do better? But yeah, anything. Even if you're saying hello, just feel free to drop a comment below. Take it easy, guy. Peace.